Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for bankruptcy in California. First, you need to understand the two primary types of personal bankruptcy, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Next, you'll determine which chapter best suits your financial situation and if you qualify. Finally, begin collecting all required financial documents, such as pay stubs, tax returns, and creditor information to prepare for the filing process. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth start. Choosing between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 is a critical decision. Chapter 7, often called liquidation bankruptcy, typically discharges most unsecured debts by selling non-exempt assets. It's generally quicker, taking about 4 to 6 months. Chapter 13, or reorganization bankruptcy, allows you to create a repayment plan over 3 to 5 years, letting you keep more assets. Eligibility for Chapter 7 depends on passing a means test, which assesses your income against the state median. The filing process begins with mandatory credit counseling from an approved agency, which must be completed within 180 days before you file. After counseling, you'll file your bankruptcy petition and detailed schedules with the federal court. Approximately 20 to 40 days later, you must attend a meeting of creditors, also known as a 341 meeting, where a trustee will ask questions about your financial documents. After your meeting of creditors, you are required to complete a debtor education course, also known as a financial management course, before your debts can be discharged. This course teaches you budgeting and financial management skills. Once completed and all requirements are met, you will receive a discharge of your eligible debts, providing a fresh financial start. And speaking of making things easier, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.